Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to save on healthcare expenses, using your FSA card on Amazon is a game changer, especially with the 2025 updates that make it even easier. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can start shopping smartly right away. Let's dive in. First things first, what's an FSA card? It's a flexible spending account card that lets you pay for eligible medical expenses using pre-tax dollars. In 2025, there are some exciting changes, like expanded eligibility for items such as over-the-counter medications and wellness products, so double-check your plan details with your provider. Now, onto the steps. Step 1. Verify your items are FSA eligible. Amazon has a handy filter for this. Just search for products and look for the FSA, HSA eligible badge. This ensures you don't run into reimbursement issues later. Step 2. Log into your Amazon account. Head over to the Account section, then click on Your Payments or Payment Methods. Here, you'll add your FSA card as a new payment option. Make sure to enter the card details accurately, including the card number and expiration date. Step 3. Browse and add items to your cart. Use Amazon's search tools to find FSA-approved products, like bandages, first aid kits, or even certain fitness gear if it qualifies. Remember, not everything health-related is eligible, so always confirm. Step 4. At checkout, select your FSA card as the payment method. Amazon will process it just like a debit card, but keep in mind that some purchases might require additional verification from your FSA provider. Finally, after your order is placed, hold onto your receipts and confirmation emails. This is crucial for any potential audits or reimbursements. With these 2025 enhancements, using your FSA on Amazon could save you hundreds. Pretty awesome, right? That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.